The question of a business entity actually involves a complex analysis, and I lay out some of it here. It is a very simplified analysis. But basically, the very first question that we have to ask is there a business entity? And I'm going to jump to the point 1B right away. Suppose there is that Pierre, a French national, and let's say John, a US national. They come together in Paris over a glass of wine. They decide, you know what, why don't we sell product X on the streets of Paris? We're gonna sell it together and we're gonna divide it up. The profits, and that's it. Each of us will report it on the French tax return, our share of profit, and that's it. Did they create an entity? Oh, let's put it this way. Do you think they created an entity under French law?
No.
Most likely no. French law is a civil law system. They wouldn't apply the common law partnership concept. But US law would. And when it comes to determining whether there is or there isn't a business entity in existence, it's a US federal law that will dominate. We always go to US federal law to determine whether there is an entity or not. And probably in this case, they created a common law partnership, which means that they have created a partnership for tax purposes, which I'll explain what the difference is in a second. The second question that we have to ask, is this a business entity or trust? I'm not going to spend much time on it because it is a huge topic, but one thing that I will mention here, just so that I know that some of you may have clients or deal with investment trusts outside of the United States. If an investment trust has one class of beneficiaries, most likely it is a trust. If it has more than one class of beneficiaries, most likely it is a corporation.